Hey Bluebeamers, welcome back to Brighter Graphics, your go-to channel for all things Bluebeam Revu. In this video, we'll show you how to filter and export Markups List data in Bluebeam using Claude. Let's get into it. As you can see, we have multiple measurements applied to this PDF drawing. Opening the Markups List shows all of our markup entries populated here. In total, we have 7 area measurements, including 1 offset area, plus 2 length measurements and 1 volume measurement. Let's say we want to export all area measurements ranging from 800 to 1,500 square feet. Previously, this meant manually filtering the records and exporting the data yourself, but now we can have Claude do it for us with a single prompt. We'll ask Claude to filter the markups list for only area measurements falling between 800 and 1,500 square feet. Then we'll have it export that filtered data to an Excel file. We're instructing Claude to retain all columns currently enabled in our markups list. We're also asking for an additional column that converts each area measurement into square meters. Now let's press enter and let Claude filter the records and generate the Excel file. Claude has identified 3 area measurements within the 800 to 1,500 square foot range. The exported spreadsheet includes every column from our markups list. It also added a couple of extra columns, markup type and checked status, which we can remove later if not needed. We also got the unit conversion column we requested, converting each area measurement from square feet to square meters. We've included a prompt template in the description below. Feel free to customize it to filter and export your own markups list data without doing it manually. Now open your Claude chat, click download, and you're ready to share the file with your team. Thanks for watching. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics.